Are you fucking kidding me? I mean, are we at this stage in our life, in this world, that men need this product? I don't know what to say anymore. This is where we're at. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show. So I was on Facebook the other day, actually the other night, and I have seen this ad before, and it took me a little bit by surprise. And after watching it again, I really have a doubt on humanity, like false advertisement, fall on humanity for men. I know I go into the realm of metro. Listen, I love style, right? I love being prim and proper. It's all about physique for me, you know, making straight, nice lines with the hair, the beard, the mustache. But my God, like, let's start here, all right? Now women, okay, women have Spanx, and I get what they're for. They serve a purpose. And the main purpose of Spanx for women are for dresses, okay? They're going out, hot night, hot date, and it makes everything symmetrical. And I get it. There's a line where it can get crossed, right? We all know about the catfish thing. But here's where it crosses the line, okay? Now, for me as an avid person that loves to work out, I love to get my body into a physical shape, not only for health, but for a mental status as well. I love to think clearly. There's nothing better than after a hard workout, the mind, the body is just in a free state and flow. But I'm telling you, the boxer Spanx it crosses the line for me. Like, it crosses the line. And here's why. You have, like I talked about, Spanx for women, okay? That's one thing. It serves a purpose. But for men, it's pretty much sucking in the gut. And the clothing for men does not accommodate for what it's trying to do. The main reason, the belt line. And when you're wearing the pants, the slacks, we have a belt to hold up the pants, and that coincides into the shirt. And depending on if you're overweight, you got a belly, that sucker's gonna fold over. This product really irked me. And it came to this point where, like, are we really fooling ourselves? We've got these filters, we have all these, digital things to make ourselves look better. Screw that, fuck that. You make self-confidence mirrors beauty. It's crazy how that works, but having confidence within yourselves creates the most beautiful person that you are. So to hide something, right? To hide who you truly are, you're gonna be that fake person inside. So like I said, products are great, okay? And I'm not trying to down what this does. I get the purpose of it. But if you're at that point where you're buying this to hide yourself, you got another thing coming and you gotta fix it. And to go along with that, if that's going on with your body, right, it's probably going along with your hygiene. It's all about self-care. And with self-care, this video is brought to you by Artist Man's Soap. Treatment leaf. I mean, come on. It's the treatment. The tea treatment. Yeah, let's go. No, but seriously, go over to Artist Man. They've been a supporter for me for over about 4 years. And they've got a new soap line. A lot of beard companies are doing this now. They're going from beard products, right? They're mimicking the oils, the balms, and they're going into soap, which is a fun new line for them to do because there's only so many beard oils they can create and make. So I see a lot of companies now doing skincare products. The next video I'm gonna do for tomorrow, we're gonna do a skincare. That's the new thing right now, and I'm gonna go along with it because, we're going on the elements, we gotta take care of our skin. Listen, it's a whole regimen that we gotta do to stay above the times, above our body, because, we wanna have longevity in our lives. So with that being said, like, subscribe, and yeah, check out the description below. I wanna know what you guys think too. Leave a comment. Love you like always, and I'll see you guys on that flip side. See ya.